Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing a cool song by Cyndi Lauper, Time After Time. Nice. This song doesn't really have any guitar, it's keys and stuff, but we can still figure out how to play this. And also, if you want to play with a record, put a capo on 3rd fret and play the same thing I'm teaching you. Alright, so song is an A. So we got this kind of D to A major. So let's figure that out. That's 4th fret, grab 2, 2, 2, first finger starting on the D string. Grab 4 D string and 3 B string. That's a D major right there. Back to A major. And then we end with this kind of A. It's not an A major, it's just an A. Open A string and then 2, 2, 5, 5. It's quite a stretch. Okay. That's the main verses. D, A, 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 D, A. Mainly downstrokes. Hitting, I'm going down, hit, down, hit, down, hit, down. We got the pre-chorus. D9. That's 2G, 3B. E major. 1, 2, 3. And then we have an inversion of an A major. So that's 4A, 2, 2. Back to D. Inversion. Back to verse. Okay, pre-chorus. D9, E, A inversion, D, D, E inversion, D, E. That's going to take us to the chorus. That's going to start on E major. If you look, you can find, you will find me. That's E major to F sharp minor. And we can play that like this. We don't need a bar chord. This sounds good. That's 4, 4, 2 starting on the A string. Open B, open E string. If you lost, you can look and you will find me. To D9. Time. E major, A major. If you fall, I will catch you. If you lost, E, 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 F sharp minor. E major, F sharp minor. guys, so that's 3 parts. We got the main verses, which is inversion D to A 3 times, and with this A. Pre-chorus D9, E major, inversion A, major, D, again D, A major inversion, and then chorus E major, F sharp minor. So what is that F sharp? Yeah, it's just whatever. It's an F sharp minor, and then D, E to A. Thanks, guys. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow with more cool songs. Be safe out there. Rock and roll.